Cinnamon, a spice derived from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum, has been cherished for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. This humble spice has traveled through time, from ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, bringing with it a wealth of health benefits that are just waiting to be unlocked. Ancient Egyptians used it in their embalming process, while in medieval Europe, it was a status symbol among the elite. Its value was so high that it was often considered more precious than gold. This historical significance highlights the long-standing appreciation for cinnamon's unique properties. Today, cinnamon is celebrated for its numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your overall well-being, this spice is a powerhouse of goodness. Its versatility makes it a staple in both culinary and medicinal practices. It is packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are essential in maintaining the body's natural defense mechanisms. They help in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. These antioxidants, such as polyphenols, play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. By doing so, they help in maintaining the integrity of your cells and tissues, promoting longevity and vitality. By combating oxidative stress, antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. This makes cinnamon an excellent addition to a diet aimed at reducing the risk of conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also aid in managing pain and swelling. Additionally, it has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and overall heart health. Regular consumption of cinnamon can lead to a healthier cardiovascular system, potentially lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Cinnamon can also improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin, which is crucial for regulating metabolism and energy use. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or improve their metabolic health. Enhanced insulin sensitivity can lead to better blood sugar control and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, it can lower blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. This makes it a valuable tool for those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it. Consistent use of cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the need for medication in some cases. Incorporating cinnamon water into your nighttime routine can be a simple yet effective way to harness these benefits. It's an easy habit to form and can have a profound impact on your health. The ritual of preparing and drinking cinnamon water can also serve as a calming end to your day. To prepare cinnamon water, simply add a stick of cinnamon or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes before drinking. This allows the beneficial compounds in the cinnamon to infuse into the water, maximizing its health benefits. Drinking cinnamon water before bed can help you relax and improve your sleep quality, making it a perfect addition to your nighttime wellness ritual. The warm, soothing drink can be a comforting way to end your day, helping to ease stress and promote a sense of calm. The soothing properties of cinnamon can help calm your mind and body, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with insomnia or restless nights. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. By incorporating this simple habit into your routine, you can wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The benefits of a good night's sleep are numerous, including improved mood, better cognitive function, and increased energy levels. Quality sleep is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, so why not make this ancient spice a part of your wellness ritual tonight? For more easy wellness tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Embrace the power of cinnamon and transform your nightly routine. Scientific studies have shown that cinnamon can also help in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This adds another layer to its already impressive list of benefits. Protecting brain health is crucial for maintaining cognitive function as we age. The compounds in cinnamon inhibit the buildup of tau protein in the brain, which is a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. This means that regular consumption of cinnamon could potentially protect your brain health as you age, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. This makes cinnamon not just a spice, but a powerful ally in maintaining cognitive health. Keeping your brain healthy is crucial for maintaining your quality of life as you get older. Cognitive health impacts everything from memory to decision-making abilities. On a personal note, many people have shared their experiences of improved sleep and reduced stress after incorporating cinnamon water into their nightly routine. These anecdotal reports add to the growing body of evidence supporting its benefits. Sharing this practice with loved ones can also enhance social bonds. You can also add a bit of honey or lemon to your cinnamon water for added flavor and benefits. This not only enhances the taste but also brings additional health benefits. Honey has its own health benefits, including antibacterial properties, while lemon adds a refreshing twist and boosts vitamin C intake for immune health support. This combination can make your nighttime drink even more beneficial, providing a delicious and healthful way to end your day. So why not experiment with these variations and find what works best for you? Personalizing your cinnamon water can make it a more enjoyable part of your routine. Tailoring it to your taste preferences can help you stick to this healthy habit. Remember, consistency is key. For the best results, make it a habit to drink cinnamon water every night. With time, you'll likely notice improvements in your overall well-being, from better sleep to enhanced mental clarity. The cumulative effects of this simple habit can be quite profound, impacting various aspects of your health. So, start tonight and unlock the secret health benefits of cinnamon water. Sweet dreams and good health. Embrace this ancient wisdom and let it transform your nightly routine.